Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Sips By, which is a monthly tea subscription. And this is my March tea box. I'll show this at the end, but it shows all the teas I got and more information about them. Let's dig in here. David's Tea. Ooh, strawberry rhubarb parfait. This one is caffeine free. And these are in little tea bags. So normally when you get them in tea bags, there's 4 of them. It sounds really good. And then if there's loose tea in here, you get these to put them in. Then we also have Traveler's Black Tea Bag from the Republic of Tea, and there are 4 of those as well. Some loose tea from Tea Kitten. This is a Pink Citrus Magic, which is low caffeine, and it's a green tea. It has apple and lemongrass and all sorts of good stuff in it. And then the last one is from Davidson's Tea, Energize. It says it aids in boosting energy levels. There's 4 of those. Very cool. So this is the card they give you with all the steeping times. A lot of times there's promo codes, different information about them, and your box would be different most likely. You fill out a profile and tell them what kind of teas you like and don't like and all sorts of stuff. So I always get like a pretty good mix of like caffeine levels and different types of tea. So that is what I have for you today. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.